Hello and welcome to this video. Today I'm going to guide you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to integrate Stripe payment to AWeber. It's easy to get started, and if you'd like to follow along, there's a link in the description below. You can use it to sign up for a free trial or quickly log in to your account. First, go to Zapier. Zapier is a platform used for automating tasks between different apps. In Zapier, you can integrate a wide range of apps to automate workflows and tasks across different platforms. Now, in the top left corner, click on Create and select Zaps. If you have any questions along the way, don't worry. The Copilot feature is available to guide you through the process. Start by selecting the first trigger and searching for AWeber. Choose AWeber from the list of options. Move on to the second trigger and search for Stripe. Select Stripe. Return to the AWeber setup to finalize the trigger event options. Click on the Sign Up option to connect your AWeber account. Enter your AWeber username and password, then click Allow Access. Fill in all required test settings. Next, go to the Stripe setup to complete the action event options. Click Sign In to connect your Stripe account. Enter your Stripe API key and click Yes to continue. Input your Stripe email, then click Submit. Create a password with at least 10 characters, then click Submit again. You also have the option to set up your account by scanning a QR code. Click Next. Enter the verification code from your Authenticator app. Fill in all configuration settings, then complete the test settings. Finally, click Publish, and you're all set. Before we finish up, I want to invite you to a free training webinar where you can learn how to earn high-ticket commissions while growing your email list at the same time. It's completely free, so be sure to grab your spot by clicking the link in the description below. Thanks for watching.